Zalora is having their big fashion sale right now. Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Azalea. Today I'll be unboxing my 500 ringgit worth of products that I bought from Zalora. If you guys don't know what Zalora is, just go to the app store and search for Zalora and download this app. This is their homepage. They are having the big fashion sale. They got a lot of sections. They have the women fashion, men fashion, home and living, beauty, technology, gadget. Everything here right now is on sale, so you can get cheaper price. Today I have not only one parcel but 2, 3. I bought from 3 different stores, so shipment is not coming at the same time. Let's open the biggest parcel first. I think I know this one is from Milliot Co. I bought 2 bags. It's from the Barbie collection. Let's open the big bag first. I am a fan of Barbie, you know. As you can see, my background is in pink in color. Open this baby. This bag comes with a dust bag. Thank God it comes in a wrapping paper. Tell me it's pretty, and it is very pretty. Very cute, very demure, and very classy. It's very cute. As you can see, it's like a quilted bag, like this. I picked this color, this brown color, because it can easily match with any outfit that you have. Small. The flap is magnetic. It has a zip. Here is the inside. Oh yes, you can make it a sling bag. It has a few compartments inside, like this side and this one. You can open the zip. So let's attach the strap. This one is the longer strap. Oh, not very cutesy. This is the bag with a strap. I think I will wear it like this, so it is at my hip, like this. Okay, so this is the smaller strap. You can make it into a shoulder bag. Isn't it cute? Malibu Magic Quilted shoulder bag from Milliot Co. The original price of this bag is RM199 ringgit, but I got it at 97 ringgit and 90 cents. Let's open the other bag. Look at that! It is the size of my face. One is called Avenue Princess Sling Pouch Bag. I bought it in the cornflower blue. It has the magnetic flap. It comes with a strap. This is the inside of the bag. Oh my god, I love the strap. It has a gold chain. I like anything with gold. This bag costs me 88 ringgit and 90 cents, and the original price is 179 ringgit. How cheap is that? But right now, if you go into the app, I think you will get it around 54 ringgit. So you better go. You better go check this bag out. On to the next parcel. The box is pink also. A hairdryer from Bear. Of course lah, pink. Pink in color. You must ensure that it has this serum logo. I am so sad that this part just now fell off. It also came with this insert. Macam nak pasang eh? Oh! Oh! I like. It's magnetic. This hairdryer is an ionic hairdryer. It has a 360 rotary nozzle. Has a hot and cool switch. You want it cool. It's very lightweight with low noise but very powerful. The original price of this hairdryer is 129 ringgit, but I bought it for the price of 89 ringgit. Last but not least, the last parcel. I'm so excited to open this package because tunggu. I bought the R360S. It has 15,000 games in it. It's a game console. All the games from PSP, PS1, Nintendo, Game Boy, all is inside here. You can play this device for up to 6 hours. It has a toggle, literally like you're playing your PlayStation, but in a small size. The size of my face. Okay, so it came with an SD card, came with a Type-C charger. Right now I cannot turn it on because it has no battery. Let me know if you want to see what games inside. This one I bought in transparent purple. This baby is called the R36S Retro Handheld Video Game Console. So the price of this baby is 399 ringgit, the original price, but I got it for 249 ringgit only. So the total original price of the items is this. Amount of the sale items is this. You see, there's a lot of difference. What I like about Zalora is they always give you plenty of vouchers, sometimes stackable, and you will get a very attractive sale on the products that you like. So that's all. It's the end of my 500 ringgit worth of haul video. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe to Zalora and like and share the videos. And if you would like to get the items that I purchased, I will leave the link in the description box down below. See you in my next video. Bye!